Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making money fast with self-updating news sites? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automated news websites and how they can be your ticket to financial freedom. Welcome to our guide on how to make money fast with self-updating news sites. These websites harness the power of automation to deliver fresh and relevant content to your audience, all while generating passive income for you. But how exactly does it work? Let's find out. Step 1. Choose your niche. Whether it's sports, finance, technology, or entertainment, selecting a niche that you're passionate about will ensure that you stay engaged and motivated throughout the process. Step 2. Select a reliable news aggregator. Look for platforms that offer a wide range of sources and provide automatic updates to keep your site fresh and up to date. Step 3. Customize your website. Add your own branding, logos, and design elements to make your site stand out from the crowd and attract visitors. Step 4. Monetize your site. There are several ways to make money with a self-updating news site, including display ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and premium subscriptions. And finally, Step 5. Drive traffic to your site. Use social media, email marketing, SEO, and other tactics to attract visitors and keep them coming back for more, now that you know the basics. It's time to take action and start building your own self-updating news site. But remember, success won't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and perseverance to see results. So, if you're ready to make money fast with self-updating news sites, be sure to click the link in the description below to watch our step-by-step guide.